Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to run cluster analysis in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. We are going to run cluster analysis on Titanic dataset. So let us bring the dataset in the environment of Tableau. You can see the data is now imported. Activate the sheet 1. Now the variables which are there in the Titanic dataset are port, body, cabin, embarked, home destination, name, gender, ticket, the measure names, age, fare, parch, P-class, siblings, survived. So let us drag and drop age into the columns, passenger class into the rows. Now this will generate the scatter plot on the basis of summation, which we don't want. The aggregation is to be deactivated. So for this, we'll go and analyze, deactivate the aggregate measures. So all those passengers which were in the first class, their ages are shown here. Similarly, second class passengers and third class passengers. Now I want to run the cluster analysis. For this, I'll go in analytics. I'll activate the cluster and drop it into the create the clusters. A window will pop which will ask how many cluster solution which you want. Write down 2 and close it. So you will get 2 cluster solutions. Now I want to identify is there any pattern in the survival of the passengers of the Titanic or not. So I'll go in data, I'll pick up the survived and drop it into the color. But you can see there is a lot of overlapping. So basically cluster analysis is not able to perform well, or rather it is not able to segregate between those who survived and those who did not survive. So you can see there is overlapping between dark blue circle, which is those who did not, those who survived, and light blue color is for those who did not survive, right? So let us introduce one more variable, gender, and drop it into the columns. And let us see, is there any pattern which is emerging or not? So there is a definite pattern which has emerged here. You can see here all dark blue circles. So this is a female, the female passenger in first class, age from between 14 to 64. All of them survived. Only one did not survive. Similarly, in passenger class 2, so you can see that the pattern is emerging here also that us in second class, female passengers mostly survived, but in third class, the survival rate was lesser. If we talk about male, in the third class passenger, the survival rate was very low. Similarly, the second class passenger, the survival rate was very low. But the first class passenger, the survival rate was little bit higher in comparison to second and third because the dark blue circles are more. So this is a way you can run cluster analysis in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.